Hello guys, this is Shiroti once again and you're watching Coach Java tutorial series. In this tutorial we're gonna learn about Protected Access Level Specifier, which is used in Java and also in many other object-oriented programming language. Now look at this program. Okay, I have defined one class Q and I have defined in the package pack1, and I have defined one integer variable I as 0. I have initialized and I have just specified its access level as protected. Now moving to the next class, here also it is in pack1 package, as you can see, and in this class I have just extended my Q class from this, and I'm using one method over here, voice test, and I'm redefining the variable protected integer I as 20. So this can be also possible. You can just override any variable or method in your same package if that is a protected also. So this is the first part of, or you can say this is the first specification of protected access level. Now moving to the next class, here I have defined one different package, that is pack2, and I have imported this particular file, that is pack1.q. Now I am extending that q class from my pack2 s class, and I am also redefining my variable I as 20. So this can also be possible. If you run this program, that compilation will be very success. So you can redefine your protected value in your class, in your different class, and you can import that value and you can override the value also. So this can also be possible. Now moving to the next class, here I have defined another different package, that is pack3, and in my pack3 I have one class, that is class A, and I have defined all type of variables over here. Okay, this is a very important program. In this program you can learn that how this access level all this works. I have defined one integer I variable, that is private, one j integer, that is default, that is no specification. We will know more about default in my next tutorial. Now here also I have defined one integer k variable, that is protected type, and one public type. Now moving to the next class, here as you can see that this is a different package, pack4. Now I am importing my class A, pack3 class A, here, and I have extended my class B of package 4, and which is having one method, that is test, and now I'm trying to print I and j and k and l from my method test. Okay, now I will get an error of the first two lines, this line and this line, as because I is defined as private, so private can't be initialized or private can't be accessed, as you know all, or as you know all, and j is defined as default, so default cannot be accessed outside of your package, so if it is not available, but protected and public is accessible from your test method, so it will be successful for these two lines. Now I am creating one main method over here, and I am now creating one object of class a1 equals to new a. Now I am trying to print my a1.I, that is private, it will not initialize. a1.j will also not initialize. Now a1.k will be not initialized. That is a vital point. Why? Because if you create an object of your class and which is having one protected variable or protected method, then outside of your package you can't access that protected variable or protected method, but you can access the variable directly if you just import that thing, and if you write that directly like this. I have written, sorry. So this particular uh, function call can't be accessed, as because it is you are creating one object of class A, and no matter whatever way you are accessing, private variable can't be accessed outside of the package or outside of the class. So this cannot be done. Now default also can't be accessed outside of the class or outside of the package. So this can also not be done. But here protected also can't be accessed. But if you can access protected like this directly, but through object you can't access, and public as always you can access from anywhere of your class, anywhere of your package, anything. But this protected can't be accessed through object. So this is the main thing which I wanted to tell you, that remember one thing, that protected is a kind of thing which is used to use in your same package itself, or you can use as in your different package. But remember one thing, you can't access it from your object creation. After object creation you can't access a1 dot something like that, or any method you can't access from this. So this is a very brief idea, or a short idea you can say, about protected access specifier in your Java. Now we will be moving more. We will be learning more about this access level when we will be accessing, or when we will be covering method overloading and method overriding. So you will be knowing more about this level access specifier. So for this, until now, thanks for watching and have a nice day.